Okay, I want to show you how to add a button or command button. Pretty much any form is going to need a button for the user to click to send the data or submit the form or what have you. So the code for that, the HTML tag for that is very simple, right? So let's say we got this form here, it's got a couple things, and we need a button for the user to click to send it. So the tag for that is going to be input type equals, and again, it'll be self-contained tag, so you want to put the close tag inside there. So in the type can be a couple different types, but we're usually going to do submit if you're working with PHP. So one of the keywords to create a button there is to make the type submit type. All right, so we got input type equals submit in quotes. We'll need one more thing, but let's take a look at this. All right, so we've created a button, but we probably want to control the text. So notice there's some default text on it. So one more property you typically set is a value property in there. So inside that same input type equals submit tag, I'm going to set a property and make it say login or whatever you want the button to say on it. So that's value equals, and then whatever you want to say inside quotes. And again, the other way to do it is you could have input type equals button, but if you're working with PHP, then you want to do input type equals submit. And that's all there is to it to create a button on a web form.